Good morning, everyone. Scott Betti here at Firkins. Just took in a really super clean truck. This is a 2016 Ram 1500 with only 12,000 miles on it. It is the Bighorn package, black and chrome. Front sensors, rear sensors, navigation, cloth interior. Just a beautiful truck. Automatic lights, GPS navigation. Really nice crew cab. Nobody has ever been in the back. Look at this thing. All kinds of storage in here. Storage here. You can actually put this down. He put the tonneau cover on it. The tow package. Like I said, front sensors, rear sensors, backup camera. Right there. The backup sensors, a tow package. Super clean. 12,648 miles on this. 2016 Ram 1500. Call me for more information, folks. This truck, I guarantee, will be gone in a week. Scott Betti at Firkins, 748-6510. Thank you.